left your daughter in the beach with a sibling that's 5 years old alone.
I'm not a bad mom. I don't know what to tell you.
Never said that you're a bad mom.
Watch how a normal day at a resort turns terrifying. A 3-year-old is pulled from the water while the mom is nowhere in sight.
She's right behind you.
Listen, we're like 5 adults here with 2 of my kids. I just came to take him to the beach.
I understand, but when you're questioning why somebody else is holding your daughter, that means that you should have been there to be holding your daughter.
But literally, we were all paying attention to, like, I was literally just leaving
Well, how
right
could
now.
everybody be paying attention if an honest citizen that don't even know you...
What is going on right now?
just-
Like, I don't understand what's going on. We were literally leaving right now.
You left her with a 5-year-old brother, right?
What is going on?
Okay, you left your daughter in the beach with a sibling that's 5 years old
I was
alone.
literally watching them.
And she was drowned. Someone had to take her out of the water because she almost drowned. Do you understand that?
Listen, I'm a good mom.
Okay, we're not saying you're not a good
My
man.
birthday.
I'm not saying you're a bad mom. I'm not saying that you're not a bad mom. I never said that. You stepped away from them.
You
left
her
her-
for like 5 minutes.
You left them with a 5-year-old, and she ended up
Without-
drowning. And someone had to go into the water because she went too deep and she was taken in water and she almost drowned. And people on the beach had to step in and get her out from the water because she almost drowned. You understand where we're at right now?
Where were you at that point?
I'm not saying
I
that you're
was
not a bad
literally
mom.
right
I never
there.
said
I've
that.
been checking on her every 5 minutes. I brought a blanket. I brought water. I brought Coke. I brought everything for them to be comfortable for today. Literally last night was my birthday. Today I'm like, okay, I'm gonna spend time with my kids. I've been with them all day. Like, if that happened for like a second, I'm so scared.
You know, like if that person didn't step in, she would have.
I'm not a bad mom. I don't know what to tell you.
Never said that you're a bad mom. But what I'm saying is the severity of what occurred. You
I
stepped away, she
understand
almost.
that. I understand.
Right?
I know it's for a second. I understand that.
Yes, sir.
So she was at my bar and she had the kids. And the truth is, when the friend got drunk, I think she thought the men were looking after the babies. She literally has had them the whole time. And if she was a parent, I would have said so. I'm a foster parent. I foster through Citrus. I've adopted. I'm very big on kids. She has had them the whole time. And so when her friend was stumbling drunk, these are her friend's shoes. I think it's her shoes. She took her to the bathroom because she's throwing up, you know. So I don't want you to think that she wasn't just not being a mom.
Yeah. So where's the friend at now, or did she leave somebody else in charge?
So she went to go to take her to the bathroom. She's here with her brother and her friends. I think they assumed that the brother and the friend were going to be watching while they were in the women's room, because she literally just went. She was not. She's literally been there the whole time, and the kids were with her. I'm not trying to be funny, but they really were. So she wasn't not being a good mom.
Okay. I'll pass that on to my partner.
Okay.
That's her friend's shoes? That's not her shoes.
I would never I'm here with
Hold on, ma'am. Hold on.
What happened?
Somebody found her
is my
daughter.
friend.
I
This is my
understand that.
friend.
All right. Somebody
What
found her
happened?
daughter in the water. Some citizen, little girl, saw
Is
the
she
baby.
fine?
Yeah, the baby's
Okay.
out. Yeah. She's wondering why somebody else is holding her daughter, and you're trying to tell her you were not there for her. That's why another citizen, a bartender, a waitress, is holding your child. Why doesn't she know that a citizen is not holding her child?
Yeah. Can I talk to her?
Just give me 1 second.
But I came to tell them that you guys took your friend to the bathroom,
Yes.
and in that moment, that's all it was. Like, it wasn't. She was in.
Who was in charge at that time?
Look, I went with her friend, and she was concerned. Like, if you just, where's her daughter? Can I make sure she's okay?
Yeah, she's with Sergeant Benedetti. He's over there underneath
Can
the
I
tent.
go over
Yeah,
there?
you can go over there.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Stay here, okay? Calm down.
He's the bartender out at one of the tiki bars, and he's sticking up for her, saying all the time she's been with her child. She always been there. She's not drunk. She hasn't been doing anything. What happened was they were walking a drunk friend over to the bathroom, so she kind of left the kids there alone, thinking the 2 other men were going to take care of the kids while she walked the drunk friend to the bathroom. So he's defending her as a bartender, saying she's been with those kids all the time. This was just one of the incidents. She walked away thinking that the men are going to take care of it and watch the two kids, you know. But so she did. She walked her friend when they said she left 15 minutes ago. That's what she did. She walked over to meet the bathroom. Now this lady flashed a badge in my face. I didn't read it. She just wanted to know what's going on, but apparently they're both friends, you know.
Let me talk tomorrow, because the statute has to be like 15 minutes. I have to read the statute. I haven't made one of these cases. I don't got a camera either.
Who's your friend here? She showed me a badge. Who does she work for?
She's my friend. She comes from Texas. She became a cop. My other friend is here from Tallahassee. It's my birthday. I just brought
she's a cop in Texas?
Yeah, I just brought my kids here to have a good time. I'm not drunk. I'm not anything. If I lost sight of her for a second, then it was a second. It had nothing to do with me.
But when you walked your friend, you walked your friend to the bathroom?
No, I never went to the bathroom. I was here. I was watching them the whole time. I don't even know when this happened.
Well, little kids, it happens quick.
No, I know. But I brought a blanket. I brought drinks. I bought water. Like, this was our day. I don't know why I'm even here. Like, I didn't even know that was happening. I'm a good mom. Like, I've never had a felony. I've never done anything. Like, I don't even know why I'm here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I respect you 100%. I respect your job and everything. I understand.
We're trying to match up why a citizen found your daughter in the water. That's what I'm saying.
No.
Like,
she
not
came.
Her own family.
No. We were here at the bar, and I brought them, and I put sunscreen on them and everything.
I understand that.
And I was watching them, and then she came to me because my kid didn't want to like share toys with her kid or something like that. And I'm like, listen, I brought enough toys for them to play together, you know. And she's like, oh, okay, then it's fine. Like, whatever, my kid will share. You get me? And I'm like, okay. And I was watching them the whole time. I really don't know why I'm here. I'm a great mom. You can talk to them individually, whatever you want to say. I don't care.
And roughly about how many drinks you had? Just one?
Just three. Not even. I don't even drink like that. I literally don't drink. I work from home. I'm an insurance agent. I work for Medicare. I work for the government.
7220. Can you have Rescue 23 en route to Gilbert's female restroom? Unknown right now.
It just like.
Can you call EMS?
Yeah, we call the EMS, yeah.
It's just like flabbergasting that I'm in this situation, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello.
No, I was just wondering what's going on.
We'll talk to you right now, right?
Okay.
You give us a few minutes, right?
All right.
Ma'am, stand up for me. In your back, all right?
Why am I getting arrested for? But what am I getting arrested?
Ma'am.
What? What? For what? I love my kids. What are you talking
Relax.
about?
I understand you love your kids. Accidents happen, all right? If it wasn't for that bystander, we'll be doing a death investigation right now, all right? This way?
It's my birthday and I came to take my kids to the beach. Like it was a second. What
Have a seat, please.
Watch your foot.
You don't mind watching her, ma'am? Sorry.
No, I'll watch her.
It's a cluster. Phone there.
You have an extra key in there?
Your other friend that you came with, she's going to the hospital.
With the baby?
No. The other friend, there's another friend in the toilet that came with this party. She's going to the hospital. She's extremely drunk.
Oh.
She almost got taken by some random dude and probably got taken to manager if that would have occurred. So she's going to the hospital now. She says she's with her. Maybe not. She's extremely toxic. She's going to be going to jail today.
Okay. And you're taking her where?
To the Plantation Key Jail, and I'll give you the address. Were you present when the child was by the beach?
No, I just got here right now.
Yeah, so she left. She thought her brother was watching the kids. She left the little girl with her 5-year-old brother. She someone had to go into the water and take her out of the water before she. So she's going to go to jail for that.
Okay. All right.
Just to let you know.
Hello.
I'm just letting her know she wants to know what happened. Told her she's going to jail. Here for the video. You have to save it as, it's gonna take long, but here's the jump drive for the video. To save the video, camera footage. I can save this shit right now.
The security guard, he's saying that there's a lady back there coming to pick up the children. I don't know what lady that is. No, he's right there.
You gotta call DCF. I'll call DCF. I'm trusting you, and I'm with you.
Okay. What's next?
Observe any violation.
I'm calling DCF now. They're gonna call biological grandma to come and pick either grandma or dad to pick up the kids up because mom and dad are not together. Right now, the only family that we have is we have
brother.
We have so they're he's a nephew, right? He's a nephew. We have one that is sober. So if you listen, they're your niece and nephew. If they're your niece and nephews, I can turn them over to you if you're not drunk. Sorry about that. I just need your license. That's it.
Name and date of birth.
That's it.
Do you have a pen?
I don't think I like 10%.
Oh, I'm not my truck.
Bro, I just got you. Wait, but they're saying that you could take them if you give them the name and date of birth.
We just need to document who the kids went to.
Yeah, I just need you the uncle.
Can I explain who has your children? Who's coming for them? No? All right.
Listen, I'm a great.
Your brother. You have another brother?
I have two brothers.
All right. The other brother's coming down to pick up your children.
Yes, they're great brothers. My
All right.
mother, everybody's a team.
I understand, but it seems like maybe everybody had one drink or two drinks. I don't know how many
I don't
drinks.
know why I'm here.
So maybe we get another person
I
coming
literally
down.
brought them here to have a good time. I was not expecting this at all. I just brought them to have a good time.
Yeah, Sergeant Benedetti told her. I'm telling her.
She's just a little...
What's your other brother's name?
He's actually here, and we're going to take the kids back home with
Okay,
him.
I'll tell her then. All right.
Yeah, just tell
Go
her
ahead.
to just calm down. She's just...
Yeah, I understand, man. Anybody
Sorry
for
about
kids?
that, man.
No problem. Yeah, your brothers are going to take the kids home, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
And your friend,
They
who's the other
practically
friend?
live with me. It's
Yeah.
fine. I don't care.
Hello, hi.
Good, you?
Can I just tell her something?
Go ahead.
Please.
Melissa, I didn't do
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Just stay back for me.
Okay. Listen. No, don't talk.
Okay, I'm not talking, but
I got
didn't
you.
do anything, Melissa.
Just calm down, okay?
I'm a good mom, Melissa.
I know who you
Why
are.
am I in
Trust
this
me.
car right now? Melissa!
She's not going to help. I'm going to go up. She did this to her brother. I tried to give her a chance, and she doesn't want to listen.
Yavelin,
There's a second chance I'm giving her.
Calm down. Look
I
at me.
didn't do anything. I bought toys for I.
Stop.
I'm a mom.
I got you.
Melissa.
Stop. You need to calm down. Listen, look at me.
I make cups.
Stop.
I make cups, Melissa.
Stop. Yavelin,
Do me a favor, just walk away from me, please. I'm going to roll up the window.
I respect you.
All right, thank
I'm
you.
a pro officer. I respect you, okay?
All right. I gave her a
appreciate
chance
your
with her
help.
brother. I gave her a chance with you.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
All right. Sorry about all this, man.
She was later arrested for child neglect. Deputies say the child had red, watery eyes and was coughing up water. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.